I'm Kirsten Lee. I'm CMO with InBetween.
My name is Peter Flory. I am Sales Director at InBetween.
So most companies still produce documents, marketing material like catalogs, data sheets, flyers, and price lists. And what we see a lot, or what the typical challenge is, that producing these kind of documents means a lot of manual work. So what companies normally do, they select the information, they gather all the information and images from different places, then they copy and paste these information into InDesign documents, and the final step is layouting. So it's not just very nerve-wracking and time-consuming, it's also prone to errors. That's exactly where we come in. With InBetween, what we do, we connect Akeneo PIM with our software, with our InBetween software, and InBetween then pulls data directly from Akeneo PIM into the predefined templates, and it puts the information exactly at the spot where it needs to be. So there's no manual work.
Well, the great thing about InBetween is it is scalable. So we can start with a very simple datasheet automation, but we can scale it up to full-blown catalog production, more complex stuff. And that really allows us to provide customers with a unique approach to the print channel, from easy to more complex. What really sets us apart from other companies in this area is that we provide a no-code approach for templating, which really simplifies the whole process of setting up publications. Furthermore, while we do integrate with Adobe InDesign, the use of Adobe InDesign is not mandatory with our software. Simply put, Akeneo and InBetween are a well-established team to provide and drive value in the print channel. InBetween plugs into Akeneo PIM and plays into solutions for the print channel, automation, digitization, and that's what we've done at ABB, where we automate 600 pages of catalog in 2 languages, not only for the print version, but also for the digital version. And the great thing is the digital version can be updated on a daily basis. Working with Akeneo is fun, and we have a long-lasting relationship, so we know each other, we know how to work really well. Communication is great. I think we provide super solutions for our customers, and if I have to put it into one sentence, we love Akeneo.
So there's great potential between Akeneo PIM and InBetween, and with the partnership, we are really looking forward to more visibility, to reach out new customers and to new partners, to show the benefit you have with Akeneo and InBetween. And with a strong partnership, we can reach out to more brands to help them automate what was a manual process. And we are also looking forward to, or we are really excited about the Akeneo App Store, because it's so simple to just connect InBetween to Akeneo. From our perspective, AI is becoming a key feature for companies, because they use AI to understand customers and to better provide personalized content. And InBetween is prepared for this shift. So what we do is we provide automatic documents based on AI-generated target groups or product ranges, or you can simply produce documents based on AI product data.
Great example is InBetween produces flyers on the basis of AI-driven shelf analytics. So what we actually can do, we can produce flyers on the fly, as it were, but fitting for particular customers, for particular needs. So we can provide the right product data at the right time for the right person.
looking ahead, it's of course not only about providing the right content and at the right time, it's also about predicting what customers want. And with InBetween, we can use this information and provide it to customers as well with our documents. There are still many brands and retailers that are providing incorrect, inconsistent product information. But today, customers, they shop online, they shop in stores, they shop through catalogs and leaflets, and they want to have the same information at each touch point. So once the information differs from one touch point to the other, we lose the customer, or the buying process is slowing down or even breaks. So that's something we see. And some other point is that sometimes it's still missing to have personalized content. So for example, it's really important to provide information in the language and currency for the country that people live at. And it's also important to show only the products that are available and not all the products. And nowadays it's just important to solve this problem and to show customers that they are receiving personalized, consistent content wherever they shop. And that sets brands apart from others.